Let's learn how to schedule WhatsApp audio call. First, let's open WhatsApp app on your phone. And when you do that, look at the bottom of the screen and you can see a calls option and you need to click on it. Now you can see all your recent call on WhatsApp and look at the top right corner of the screen and you can see a green plus icon and you need to go on it. When you do that, WhatsApp opens to you a side menu with all your contacts in WhatsApp. And when you do that, look at in the first free option and you need to click on new call link. After that, select a call type. In this case, that will be a voice. Next, click on the last option, add to calendar. First, you need to enter a title of that call. I will put the test. Next, enter a date and time you want to start a call. Also, you need to enter a date and time you want to call will be end. If you scroll to the bottom of the page, you can see a notes and you can write some important things you want. And when you do that, click on the add button in top right corner of the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching.